YouTube. Breaking news. This is the Anonymous Prepper channel. I mentioned Black Start down in Kansas, Fort Riley, planning apparently some massive blackouts, some type of big exercise they are doing. But, to the breaking news, Brunot Island's Powerstation in Pittsburgh, there was a catastrophic failure, which led to an explosion, and there's currently a fire burning. Now, this just broke recently, thanks to a source and a close friend of mine. He had informed me about this. But, what does this mean? Is this just a random event, which I don't know. I just found out myself here in the last few minutes, and I'm wondering. But, catastrophic failure, if this really is the case, if you lose one power station, what's going to happen to the others? You lose that one, it's helping support the whole entire foundation. One goes. Another one goes. There goes another one. That could happen. We need to pay attention here, folks. It's going to be super hot here the next few weeks. This could become a chain reaction event. And, of course, the whole Fort Riley situation down in Kansas, they're doing this massive blackout exercise for, it was 4 a.m. until, I can't remember the exact time, but they said 8 hours or longer. And then this suddenly happens. What's going on here? We know something's up. Can't deny it anymore. That's why the internet exists. I don't like it though, folks, so to all of those in the Pittsburgh region, over here in Pennsylvania, if you have any info, let me know about what happened. Because I guarantee this isn't going to be the last one. Just with everything going on in the world right now, and the way things are getting, our grid is getting old. Our power plants are getting old. We got an example now. Reactor blows up. Now, I'm not saying this was a nuclear reactor, it's an electrical reactor, but there's limited information coming out right now. It just happened. I believe it was around 8:30. I got to double check. I'm doing my research trying to find out more. Until then, I'll post another video as soon as I get enough info. I am the Anonymous Prepper, and I'm out.